GMAT registration and centers explained. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the GMAT's registration process and understanding its test centers. Whether you're considering taking the GMAT or just want to learn more about it, this video will provide all the essential information. Remember, preparation is the key to success. Before we delve into the registration process, let's quickly recap what the GMAT is. The Graduate Management Admission Test, or GMAT, is a standardized test used for admission into graduate business programs worldwide. It assesses analytical writing, quantitative, verbal, and integrated reasoning skills. 1. Create an account. Begin by setting up an official account on the GMAT website. 2. Select a test date and location. Check the availability of dates and choose a location that is convenient for you. 3. Pay the registration fee. As of my last update, the GMAT registration fee is $250. Always check the current price on the official website. 4. Prepare necessary documents. Typically, this involves a valid passport or another ID. Make sure to check which documents are accepted in your region. 1. Search online. Use the official GMAT website's test center locator to find a center near you. 2. Consider your comfort. It's important to choose a test center where you'll be comfortable. Think about travel time, convenience, and the environment. 3. Schedule a visit. If possible, visit the test center beforehand. Familiarize yourself with the surroundings. This can greatly reduce anxiety on the test day. Life is unpredictable. If you need to reschedule or cancel. 1. Rescheduling. You can do this via your GMAT account. A fee might apply depending on how close to the test date you are rescheduling. 2. Canceling. If you need to cancel, log into your account and follow the instructions. Be aware that you may not receive a full refund. And that's your quick guide to GMAT registration and test centers. Remember, the GMAT is just one step in your academic journey. With proper planning and preparation, you can navigate this step with ease. I hope this video has been informative and helpful. Best of luck with your GMAT preparations and your future studies.